robot is very smart because there are many kinds of sensors built in his body. The robot can easily detect the different environment and avoid all kinds of obstacles. We also give him really intelligent brain. The robot can always find the best way from the kitchen to the customers. Delivery robot W3, which is mainly used for the hotel. When the customer asks the shavers or the toothbrush from the reception, the service staff no need go to the room directly. Our robot will help on that.
We are presenting you the KNEXT Future Cafe, and together with the KEENON serving robot, which is going to be the solution in the future to make food service more efficient.
Salve, sono Franco, sono un albergatore in Italia e sono qui per testare i prodotti della KEENON che ritengo che siano molto importanti per la mia azienda e sono molto simpatici e molto utili.
KEENON.